Hello everyone, I'm Laharubuddhika Jayasundara, undergraduate student of Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. Today I'm excited to be here to discuss about the Amazon Web Services, one of the world leading cloud computing platform. As a business continue to transition to the cloud, AWS remained the forefront, holding impressive 33% market shares as of the 2023. This presentation is designed to for the businesses, IT professionals, and the developers to look into leverage the cloud technology effectively. Okay, we will move to today lineup. First, I plan to give the clear understanding about the AWS and its core services, benefits of the AWS, security features of the AWS. Finally, I plan to cover the real world application of the AWS. Okay, we will move to uh, discuss about the what is the AWS. AWS is a comprehensive cloud platform that provides the essential computing resources on demand. At its core, AWS offers key services categories such as the compute, storage, database, networking, and the application services, enabling the organization to build, deploy, and scale application efficiently. AWS operate on the global scale with the 33 launch regional and the 102 availability zone, ensuring the high availability and redundancy. Additionally, AWS has announced the 12 more regions, further expanding its global presence. This infrastructure allows the business to deploy application closer to their customer, reducing latency and improving the performance. Okay, we will move to talk about the AWS core services. AWS provides the robust set of services that form the foundation of the cloud computing in compute services. Amazon E2C offers the 500 instance type, allowing the business to select the right virtual machines for their workloads. While AWS Lambda enables the serverless computing, reducing needed for the server management. In storage services, Amazon S3 is the scalable object services that currently hold the trillion of objects with high durability and availability. Database services are also key strength of the AWS, with Amazon RDS supporting popular relational database like MySQL and the PostgreSQL, while Amazon DynamoDB process millions of requests per second, making it ideal for the application requiring high-speed data access. Okay, we will move to talk about the benefits of the using the AWS. There are several compelling reasons why the organization choose the AWS for their cloud computing needed. First, AWS provides the significant cost saving through its pay-as-you-go pricing model, reducing the expenses by up to 80% compared on the premises infrastructure. Second, AWS offers the scalability and the elasticity, allowing the business to automatically adjust their resources based on the demand through the auto scaling. Reliability is the another major benefits, as the AWS ensure an uptime of over 99.99%, minimizing the disruptions and ensuring the business continuity. Lastly, AWS prioritize the security, compiling with the over 19 industry standard, including the SOC, PCI, DSS, and the HIPAA, making it the trusted platform for sensitive data storage and the management. Okay, we will move to talk about the AWS security. Security is the top priority of the AWS, and it follows the shared responsibility model. In this model, AWS is responsible for the securing the cloud infrastructure, while customers are responsible for securing the application with the cloud. AWS provides the several key security services to protect data and the applications, identify and access management, help organization manage the user permissions and the restrict authorized access. AWS Shield that provide the DOS protection, safeguarding application for this from the cyber threats, while the AWS Guard Duty use the AI-driven threat detection to identify and mitigate the security risk. AWS AWS also ensure the data encryption and the REST and the transits future enhancing the security with the compliance to the major regulatory standard. AWS is the reliable platform for business requiring strong security measures. Okay, we will move to talk about the real world application of the AWS. AWS is widely used across the multiple industries, enabling the innovations and efficiently start up the benefit from the AWS by rapidly developing and scaling application without heavy infrastructure cost. Enterprise use the AWS to migrate the workload and they build the cloud native application that improve the efficiency. Government agencies also use the AWS for secure data management and the compliance. Some of the most well known some of the most well-known companies also utilize the AWS for their operation, like Netflix, for example, use the AWS to stream the million of hours of content there and saving the millions of dollars annually. Airbnb leverage the AWS for the large scale data processing and the storage allowing to manage the global platform efficiently. These examples demonstrate how the AWS is powerful tool for business of the all sizes. Okay, we will move to getting started with the AWS. For those new to AWS, getting started is straightforward. The first step is to create the AWS account, which grant access to the AWS free tier, allowing user to explore the various services no cost. One inside the user can navigate to the AWS management console. It's a centralized interface for the managing the AWS resources. The AWS marketplace offers a per build cloud solution, enabling the quick development application without the extensive setup. Additionally, AWS provide the numerous learning resources, including the documentation, training courses, and the supportive services, ensuring the users can confidentially build and manage their cloud infrastructure. Okay, we will move to conclusion part. In the conclusion, AWS provide the business and the developer with the scalable, cost-effective, reliable, and the secure cloud computation platform with the extensive suite for services, global infrastructure, and the robust security measures. AWS is a sharp in the future cloud technology. I encourage you to explore the AWS, experiment with its services, and start building your own cloud solution. If you are interested in the deep in your expertise, AWS offers the certification and the training program to help you to become the proficient in the cloud computing. Thank you for all for your time. We will meet from next video. Thank you.